Welcome to this episode of Random Review. In this episode we're going to take a look at the Passion Mama sparkling drink. The Passion Mama. It's the orange passion fruit flavor and it's happy and it's organic. Well, that's very happy because I love being happy, ain't you right? So it's produced by Drink Mamas, never heard of them. But it does look really cool. And actually, I thought, and it was in the section of the sodas, more like the low calorie things, but that's not it, it's more like a lemonade. And when we take a look at the ingredients, well, it's 30% orange juice and only 2.5% passion juice, which is a bit weird for something called Passion Mama and has a passion fruit on it. But hey, maybe it's just a too intense flavor for us. We're gonna experience if it's any good, and let's first find out how it looks. Well, it looks like Fanta. Well, I guess that's it. I don't know if it's the same flavor, but it's the typical yellow drink. Maybe it even looks a bit like, I don't know, if it has a bit of lemon in it. Well, let's find out how it tastes, the most important part. Well, as you can see, I tried it, and to be honest, it's really, really good. It's not too sugary, it's not too orangey, it's not too passion fruity. I guess it indeed is the perfect combination by using that little amount of passion fruit. I'm happily surprised. It's too bad that it is a drink with some calories in it, so it's like, well, I guess 80 in a can or something if I calculate really fast. But of course there's also calories in other drinks, so that's not really a reason to hate. So I think I will try this more often, and I'm gonna try the other tastes. I didn't expect it, but my friends, this is a 5-star review. The Mama, she knows how to cook. Thank you, Mama. 5-star review. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. And of course, check you later.